Today, we gather to unite these two in holy matrimony.
I've been waiting for this day all my life.
He's my daddy.
What?
Today I'm going to be showing you guys the free app I used to do that short AI movie you just saw. Mind you, it is not GROK AI. The app I used to do that movie is totally free. It's very accessible, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys the free app. So if you've not subscribed to this my channel, please do. So whenever I post every free update, you'll be able to get notification, okay? So first of all, I went to generate my images and make my story. Initially, I didn't have any story in mind, okay? So I just went to ChatGPT. You can see it on my screen. I went to ChatGPT. I went to ask for a story idea, and these are the ideas it brought for me. You can see the prophet's shocking prophecy, the wedding surprise, rich girl, poor mechanic, the maid's secret. So actually, you can see it on my screen. He recommended the prophet's shocking prophecy. So I had to go through the story and everything, but I didn't like it. So I decided to go for the wedding surprise. Okay, I chose the wedding surprise. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I did that AI movie you just saw, AI dialogue. In case you don't know what an AI dialogue is, an AI dialogue is when two or more characters they talk to each other at the same time in a movie or a TV show or a cartoon. That's what a dialogue is, okay? So as for the image, you can see it on my screen. I just went ahead to the same ChatGPT. I told it, please give me image for scene 1 and make it in 3D pixel style, high quality, cinematic, and Netflix standard. You can see the quality of the picture too. So let's move ahead to the app I used to make that movie you just saw in the beginning of this video. So I'm going to be walking you through the process, okay?
Log into this app. Okay, your interface will look like this. You go ahead and click on more. You will see create videos, create image, and all that. You click on create videos. Okay, it will take you to wherever you want. We'll be clicking photo library. You can see my image there. Okay, just go ahead and insert your image. Then you go back to ChatGPT. You copy your prompt. Okay, then you paste it on the app. Then very easy, you generate your video. Okay, just click on generate and it will do it in, it will analyze your script and all that. Okay, and you can see my video is already ready. Let's play it and see.
Today, we gather to unite these two in holy matrimony.
I've been waiting for this day all my life.
Welcome guys. You can see it was easy and no stress, okay? So if you have any questions, I always say this at the end of every tutorial, feel free to put it down on my comment section. And if you want to join my AI Academy, I have started an AI Academy. Please send me an email, okay? Send me an email. Please, your subject should be AI, Film, or AI Academy, okay? So I know that you want to join the group chat. So I tell you how to join this my group, okay? Because in this my group, I post updates. I teach you how you can do AI filmmaking, AI movies. I give you free updates. I teach you how to create cinematic movies, top-notch movies that will attract your viewers. I guide you on Faceless channel on YouTube, how to start, how to go about your AI. It's all about AI in that group, okay? Monetization and all that. So, and in that group, I'll be giving you 50% of my time. When I say 50% of my time, I will be very active with you. I'm going to help you grow. I will help you generate. I'll teach you how to make a good story, how to write a good prompt, how to direct your AI movies like a pro, because it's not easy. If you don't know what I mean, go back to my YouTube channels, go back to the videos I have been making on this my channel. Watch all the videos I make at the beginning of the movie. So if you're interested in making those type of movie or even being more experts in making those type of AI movies, okay, email me. I'll guide you, especially if you're a beginner and you want to start your channel, okay? You want to start your channel and you don't have money to subscribe, okay, to the app you want to use to create your AI movies and cartoons. Don't worry, I will teach you how to be creating these cartoons with free app, okay? And you have to be patient while doing that. So I'm going to guide you, okay? And I'll help you. If you have any questions too, I'm also going to teach you about it, how to protect your account and all that. This is my email address, okay? This is my email. Just email me, or you can check in the description box. You see my email address in the description box. Send me an email, okay? So take care, family. See you in the next tutorial.